Audio Jungle.
The Volkswagen Golf 8, currently in production, will be the last combustion engine version of the hatchback car, with one more series of updates expected next year. Volkswagen Group's MQB architecture helped the automaker to keep down production costs and reduce manufacturing time for the new Golf compact car. The platform, which will underpin 50 million vehicles from View Group brands over the new, second generation, helped the automaker to keep a tight lid on costs, said Volkswagen brand's production boss, Andreas Toastman. The platform, which will underpin 50 million vehicles from View Group brands over the new, second generation, helped the automaker to keep a tight lid on costs, said VW brand's production boss, Andreas Toastman. The current Golf marked the switch to MQB from the previous PQ35 platform that only underpinned compact cars. As a result of the new car utilizing the same modular architecture, Toastman said VW only needed to replace about 20% of the equipment needed to build the body, largely tools to make design-specific parts like side paneling. Production will be also centered now in Wolfsburg, Germany, which has an installed capacity of 450,000 units across all Golf derivatives. Toastman estimated that VW has overall spent an amount in the mid-hundreds of millions of euros to produce the 8th generation of its compact hatchback in Wolfsburg. About 8,400 employees will build the latest Golf at the brand's main German factory using roughly 2,700 individual parts. More than 35 million Golfs have been built since the first model debuted in 1974, proving a huge success and setting the benchmark in Europe's compact hatchback segment. Golf sales in Europe fell by 14% in the first 8 months to 281,871 vehicles, according to JATO Dynamics market researchers. Don't forget to subscribe, like and leave me a comment to tell me how you found the car.